Hey everyone, I am back. I know it's been a while since I posted. I want to just say thank you, a huge thank you to all of you who have stuck around. Your messages, your comments, your emails, they mean the world to me. They really do. In fact, I recently got an email from a longtime follower. Let me read it to you. Dear Chuck, hello, my name is Denise and I have followed you from long ago. I never registered with your Facebook or anything like that, but many years ago when you filmed in your kitchen, you used to be on Saturdays here a while back, and the one time I missed it, you never came back. Makes me feel bad. I realize it was a lot of work. I do hope you're well. I bought your cookbook and I love it. My favorite is your cauliflower tacos. Even my non-vegan husband likes those. Well, I hope you come back to YouTube soon. I miss your chats. Thank you, Denise. Thanks for reaching out. That really hit home, and it reminds me of why I started this channel in the first place. So yes, I am back. I'll be making videos every week to help folks who are new to eating plant-based, especially those of us that are over 40. So why am I coming back now? Well, over the years, I've heard from so many people who want to eat healthier that they're really feeling overwhelmed, especially if you join those Facebook groups that tell you everything is non-compliant. It's crazy. Anyway, I get it. And when you're over 40, let's face it, change can be hard, whether it's breaking old habits or just figuring out what you can eat or dealing with your friends and family who just don't understand. So that's why I want to focus this channel on helping you. If you're over 40 and you're new to plant-based eating, I want to make this as simple, as affordable, and delicious as I can. But it's not just about the food either. Recently, I've been inspired by the works of Dr. Dean Ornish, particularly his book, Undo It. He talks about how 4 simple lifestyle changes, he calls them pillars, can prevent and maybe even reverse chronic disease. Eat well, which is what we're all about here, whole food, plant-based diet. Move more, so simple ways to stay active. Stress less, so managing stress in a healthy way. And love more, so building strong connections and community. Food's a huge part of this, no doubt. But so is taking care of our bodies, our minds, and our relationships. So while I'll still be sharing plenty of easy, budget-friendly recipes, I'm going to be talking about these 4 pillars, how they work together to help us live longer, healthier lives. Denise mentioned my tacos from my cookbook, and she said even her husband, her non-vegan husband, loves them. That's the kind of food I want to keep sharing. Simple and tasty enough to win over anybody. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you just starting out on a plant-based diet? Maybe you're interested in learning more about the 4 pillars of health. What's your biggest challenge right now? Drop me a comment below and let me know. I'll be reading every single one of them and using your questions to shape the future videos. If you're excited for what's coming, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing. And if you want to check out my cookbook, the one with the tacos, I'll link it in the description below. Thanks for being here. I am so excited to be back. I can't wait to go on this journey with you. I'm Chuck. This is Brand New Vegan. We'll see you next week.